Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today guys, I would like to help you learn how to use wish clauses in Turkish, and I will try to give some examples with English as well to make it easy for you to learn. As you see here, the title for this, or just the name of the lesson actually here, will be I wish I had, and I wish I had had, and finally I wish I could. All right, now in Turkish we say for this keşke. I wish means keşke. Keşke olsa, or you can say keşke olsaydı, or you can say keşke a. These are the guys letters of suffixes which comes at the end of words. So I will give you more examples to make it more easy to understand. All right, so let's start now with the present form. First of all, I categorized, or I can say I put into two different forms, which is present form, one of them, and the next will be past form, how to use them in Turkish. I wish, as I said before, I wish means keşke, blah blah, se or sa. We all the time use these forms. Se or sa, these are the suffixes. I will show you in examples, of course. On the left, as you see English sentences, on the right, Turkish translations. Now, let's start. I wish, it means keşke. I had a car. Bir arabam olsa. Keşke bir arabam olsa. Keşke bir arabam olsa. Repeat one more time with me. Keşke bir arabam olsa. Okay, now let's see. I wish I knew your name. Well, actually, it means I don't know your name, but this is what I wish actually. So this is what it means. Keşke ismini bilsem. Keşke, 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 keşke ismini bilsem, bilsem. This M shows me, I, okay. All right, so ismini means your name, keşke means I wish. So let's repeat one more time. I will make it slower. Repeat with me, please. Open your mouth and speak. Keşke bir arabam olsa. Keşke ismini bilsem. Let's repeat one more time, but a little bit faster. Keşke bir arabam olsa. Keşke ismini bilsem. Okay, let's see two more examples here. I wish I had your phone number, which is normally I don't have your number, but this is what I wish. So in Turkish we say for this. Keşke telefon numaran olsa. Keşke telefon numaran. Numaran means your phone number. Numaran olsa, I had. Okay, olsa. Or you can say not etsem. Noted. Okay, in this example, keşke sen, you, şimdi, now, here, burada, olsan, you were. Olsan. And this letter shows you. Okay. I can say person pronoun of you. Suffix, of course. Keşke sen şimdi burada olsan. Let's repeat one more time. Let's start here. Keşke telefon numaran olsa, not etsem. Keşke sen şimdi burada olsan. Let's see the past perfect form, which, guys, this tense shows you or tells you actually these are the actions that didn't happen in the past so that you feel regretful. This is how we will say in Turkish. Let's see, actually it's not that difficult. I can show you a few suffixes which helps you to make these forms. As you remember, in past tense to make sentences, we use verbs for past tenses. The, as you see here, the, do. Actually, there must be u. I forgot to put u. Okay, the, do, which comes after verbs. Gelse example here. Gelse. I wish she came, for example. Of course, I will put here had come, which is past perfect form, perfect form. So let's see here. I wish I had come to the party. Okay, example in Turkish we say Keşke partiye. Partiye means to the party. Gelseydim. Dim, me, am. So D shows the past perfect form, which means I didn't come to the party. I feel bad or I feel sad about this. Okay, so that's why we put here D. This is the connecting word, guys. Okay, if you watch my previous lessons, you can understand what I mean here. Y letter is the connecting word. Keşke partiye gelseydim. If you use this suffix in the sentence in Turkish, the other person who is listening to you, or people I can say, they will understand this didn't happen, which is a past perfect form. Okay, guys. So let's continue. So what's important here is you must use in past perfect form in Turkish di, do suffixes if you mean this way. Let's see second example. Keşke seninle daha önce tanışsaydım. Tanışsaydım. Repeat one more time. Keşke seninle daha önce tanışsaydım. Or you can say karşılaşsaydım. Maybe you may have difficulty pronouncing the words here because there are double sh here. As you see, this letter shows sh. So karşılaşsaydım. Karşılaşsaydım. Okay, and let's see next examples. I wish I hadn't left you alone there, but I did. I'm sorry for this. So in Turkish we say keşke seni orada yalnız bırakmasaydım. Let's repeat one more time. Repeat with me, please. If you want to speak, just repeat with me, please. Keşke seni orada yalnız bırakmasaydım. But now I will say it in a normal way. I'm making it slower for you actually. Okay. Keşke seni orada yalnız bırakmasaydım. As you see here, connecting words Y and DI and AM. Okay, these are important here. So let's see next example. Keşke sen şimdi burada olsaydın. Important here, the, which is in the past, and this N shows you, suffix of you, subject pronoun. All right, so let's repeat one more time. Maybe I will repeat this two times more. So repeat with me, please. I will pronounce as well as I can for you, or as much as I can. Okay, let's start. Keşke partiye gelseydim. Ama gelmedim. This is what it means. Keşke seninle daha önce tanışsaydım. Or you can say karşılaşsaydım. Keşke seni orada yalnız bırakmasaydım. Negative form ma. Bırakma. Keşke sen şimdi burada olsaydın. Guys, I would like to point out something here. Tanışsaydım means also tanışmış olsaydım, which is the same, guys, here, okay? You may hear from Turkish native speakers this word or this word. Okay, tanışmış olsaydım or tanışsaydım is the same. I hope it's clear information and examples for you to remember and to practice. And now let's see here, I wish I could form. I wish I could. In Turkish we use here like this. Keşke seni. Oh, sorry, there's one extra N. There's no N. Okay, guys, not senin, only seni. No N here. Seni tekrar görebilsem. Görebilsem. Guys, I just try to color the words here. Could, ebil. Okay. And I wish se suffix and keşke together are used. So I say keşke seni tekrar görebilsem. Keşke sana yardımcı olabilsem. Look, abil, which means could. Okay, guys. And of course, if you use I wish, you must use also say or sa that way. All right, now I will show you one dialogue here. Actually, I put dialogues, not actually plural. Actually, it should be dialogue only. Let's see one example. Keşke seni, there's one more extra and actually. Keşke seni daha önce tanımış olsaydım. Keşke seni daha önce tanımış olsaydım. Which means I wish I had met you before. Okay. Why? Neden? Neden? Şimdi seni daha iyi anlıyorum. Şimdi seni daha iyi anlıyorum. Now I understand you much better. Now I understand you much better. This is what it means. Ama geç değil henüz. But it is not late yet. It is not late yet. Ama geç değil henüz. Okay, guys, let's repeat one more time. Keşke seni, there is no and guys here. Keşke seni daha önce tanımış olsaydım. Neden? Why? Şimdi seni daha iyi anlıyorum. Now I understand you much better. I understand you well. Ama geç değil henüz, but it is not late yet. All right. So, guys, I just tried to keep this lesson as easy and simple and a little bit short to help you learn faster and easier. If you guys have any questions about this lesson or further lessons, please let me know by sending your email questions to this email account, actifer@hotmail.com, or this is my personal email, yasinkarut@gmail.com. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you next lessons. Bye.